Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a 37 screwdriver bit set from Parkside. I bought this specific one from Lidl. I paid $3.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you the other box and then of course show you the contents within the box and a few tools that you can use with this bit set from Parkside. So let's get started. So this is the box it comes with, in case you wonder and in case you would like to buy it. All the information is on the back. So I'm going to zoom in now. So there's some information here on 4 different languages, I believe. And then it has some information, and then there is information about the bits themselves, the dimensions, the signs of them, and I believe the actual name. And some other information at the bottom. But that's it pretty much. These are the contents of the actual product. Now the way to open it, this one, either you're going to use a knife. Either you're going to use a scissor like I did, or use something as sharp as a knife. In this one, I just cut around it, and once you cut around it, you're able to lift the plastic up, and then slide. You should be able to slide the product out. So this is the packaging. Nothing special about it. Just gonna leave that on the side, and the actual 37-bit set comes in a nice box. This specific one has some, I believe it's a rubber plastic, so in case it falls down, it has the opportunity or it has the ability to absorb some of the shock. This is what the box looks like. Very nice box. It has like a lock mechanism. So if you put it on your right, it will open it, and if you close it and put it on your left, it will close it. I'm sorry, if you put it on your right, it will open it, and if you put it on your left, it will close it. So if you open it, again, this is kind of medium to a small size box, and these are the actual bits that comes with. So I'm gonna zoom in on the top here so you can see. So they have engravings on them, so you get longer ones and also you get smaller ones. And that's it pretty much. A simple nice box. Feels premium, good quality from the looks of it, of course, but again, that would be subjective. Now these bits are universal. You should be able to use it with most tools out there, but I'm going to show you some of the tools you can use it with from the Parkside line. The first one is the cordless screwdriver, and if I were to take one of the longer bits and try to insert it in here, it should be absolutely fine. So if you have the cordless screwdriver, you should be absolutely fine using this 37-bit set. Now, if you're trying to use the cordless screwdriver with torque pre-selection, as I have showed you on a different video, this specific one, it won't take these bits because they are slightly smaller from the actual housing that it has here. Hopefully the camera can zoom in. There we are. So even if I were to put it in, it will wiggle around and then eventually will fall out. So it won't actually do the job. I mean you can try, but this specific one is not compatible with this bit set. But I'm pretty sure that there should be some sort of adapter out there that will fit this one. And then the last one I have that I can show you is the cordless drill set, which should be absolutely fine using it. Either you're going to use the drill bit, which you lock and unlock with the drill bit or the drill part. Just put the bit inside, use the clockwise position with your hand. It's going to lock it in place and use it absolutely fine. Or with this specific one, it has 2 bits or 2 parts to be very precise. And if you push towards your left side, the red part here, this bit will come out, or this part will come out, and then you should be able to use the adapter here, which is going to be absolutely fine to use. So you're good to go to use these two specific tools, but you are not going to be able to use the cordless screwdriver, this specific one here. This is it pretty much. It's a nice small box. You can get it from Lidl or buy it from any other retailer online as long as they have stock of it. For the price you are paying, you're getting a really good product. So it's worth investing in something like this if you have a small workshop or you do small projects. But that's it pretty much. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, take care and stay safe.